Morning. For me it's Thursday morning and it's like 1 minute to 10 AM. I slept well. I woke up like randomly at like 5 or 6 AM. I couldn't get back to sleep for a bit and then I did eventually fall back to sleep. It's a nice room. I like this room. I like this whole setup. I think this is really nice. Really nice. Right, so the aim of right now, like this activity I'm gonna go swimming. There is an app called Hustle, but it's spelled Hussle, and in the UK it's basically where you can pay as you go to use gym and swimming pool facilities using a day pass. So Nuffield Health is a really good one, and they've got one in Shoreditch where I am, further up. So I've never been there before. Don't know why I've never been there before. I should have been there before. And I'm gonna go there and see if I can swim on a day pass. I'm sure I can. And then after that, I'm gonna basically see what's on my itinerary and just in true Steff style cram as much as possible. My body was aching yesterday from all the walking, but today I'm not too bad. I thought I would be like roadkill this morning, but I'm not. Thank God. So that's good. I got rained on quite a bit yesterday. My shorts were wet. Apparently it's going to rain again today. But from here I can't see what the weather's like because the window is just, you just can't tell. But anyway, I'm going to head out now. It got very busy. I managed to do 20 lengths, but it was really busy in there. I might come back later if possible. We'll have to see. I'll ask the receptionist if it gets busy later or quieter later. I'll have to see. But anyway, I'm gonna get dressed now. The staff at that Nuffield Health in Shoreditch I went to are so lovely and helpful. It was really nice. The pool was amazing. It got really busy though, so that was hard, but I feel a lot better for it. I did like 20 lengths, like I swam like there back, 20 times. And I'm gonna have a wrap, a mozzarella tomato and pesto wrap with some boiled eggs, some water. Then I'm gonna head out again. So it's currently for me 12 minutes past 12. That was about a 50-minute bus ride to, what's it called, Cross Harbour, Asda, because I'm going to Asda because I love guinea pigs and there's a towel with guinea pigs on it and I really want it, and they don't have it at the Asda, like near my parents' house. They haven't got it, so I'm going to try here. It doesn't let you check the stock online. It's out of stock online as well, so I'm going to go and have a look. See if they've got it. Pray for me. They haven't got the towels, but they've got a blanket And I saw like a fake plant, but I wouldn't want that. And they've got guinea pig bedding. So I don't know, I might ask. Oh, I've got another one here. Guinea pig blanket here. Do you know what? I might have to check that it was definitely a towel that I saw. Yeah, that's definitely a towel. I might ask somebody that works here if they've got any of the the towels in stock. That is amazing. Like, I've got that many blankets though, so I don't know. They've got like loads. They've got a Halloween bat one. They've got Halloween cats, pumpkins, Nightmare Before Christmas, Baby Yoda, cats. Nice. That's cool. That is really nice. And they've got a dog one with bones on it. They've got loads. Like, wow. Asda. If you live in the UK, check out Asda's towels and bedding. It is like, they are on top form this year. In 2023. Guinea pig throw. Guinea pig. Oh, I've got loads of blankets though, that's the problem. But in the future, when I have gorgeous guinea pigs, I want to like snuggle with them. But it's a towel that you snuggle with them in, because they, you know, they pee on you. I'm going to ask them for staff member. I got the blanket instead. They didn't have the towels. They said that they're like not in yet or something. I don't know. That's I can always check the Asda near me, but to be fair, the blanket is just as good. I only want it for the future to like snuggle my guinea pigs in, like in the future. It only cost £4, so that's good. It's less than I thought. Okay, onwards. By the way, it was very busy in there. Like, the line to get anything was just hard, and it need a kayak on here. That's really cool. I'm going to go to some kind of it's called Crossrail Gardens. It's like, how to explain? It's like indoors. It's like Sky Garden, but not as big or as good. Well, I don't know. And you don't have to book, that's the main thing. You can just turn up. That is so cool, you can kayak on here. Like, it's huge, I don't know, river? Well, yeah, River Thames? I'm terrible at these things. I'm sure it is, but we're not far from North Greenwich and the O2 as well. Canary Wharf, obviously. I'm just following Google Maps because I've never been to this place before. But let's see what it's like anyway when I get there. Quick ice cream break. that movie was really good and it had a fantastic message, but I don't want to give away spoilers because it's like the main part, but it was really good, like so good. I enjoyed it. It went on for a while, but films do go on for a while. I didn't fancy sitting in a restaurant because they're so busy and I'll just, oh. Anyway, and it's time consuming and expensive, so there's a place called Sleazy Pizza, like pretty much on Brick Lane, and they do lovely pizzas and they're only £8. So I bought that, I ate it in the place, and now I've come back to the hotel room because I have to pack up all of my things because tomorrow I'm going into the office to work for half the day and we're allowed to finish at 3 p.m. in the summer on Fridays only. So I am finishing at 3 p.m. and then after that we're going to have a social, like a work social. It's a picnic in, I think it's Hyde Park. So that'll be good, that'll be nice. So that's why I timed my little vacation now, in, you know, to tie in with that. So that's good. But yeah, this has been such a random video. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you've been up to recently in the comments. And I might film some of the picnic tomorrow, but I don't know. But if I do, I'll post it after this. Like I'll show footage of that after me saying this. But yeah, and if I didn't, then I won't. Anyway, see you in another video. Bye.